This is my first day practice on yoga now. Inhale, exhale, seated position. Exhale, down, forward fold. A to B. Walk to Chaturanga. Exhaling. Inhale, upward dog. Look up. Exhaling, downward dog. Adjust. Open your hamstring. Lengthen your spine. Step your right foot forward. Do warrior one. Look at your thumb and exhale. Inhale. Exhaling again to downward Chaturanga. Inhale again to open your chest. Exhaling, hips up. Drop heels down to open more your hamstring. Lift foot, step forward. Inhale, arms come up. Exhaling, down back to Chaturanga. Press your palms, strong your core. Drop your knee, then exhale all the way. Inhale again, roll your shoulders to open more your chest. Exhaling to downward dog. Now we will be staying here for 5 breathing. Inhale, exhale. Use your nose to inhale and exhale. Try to open your hamstring. Exhale and jump. I want you to lengthen your spine. Look forward, flat your back. Exhaling, drop your head closer to your legs. Inhale in seated chair position. Exhaling, arms down to the side. Inhale again to chair. Exhaling, hands down to your mat. Try to open your hamstring, lengthen your spine and flat your back. Exhale down again to Chaturanga. Drop your knees. Inhaling, upward dog. Adjust and open more here. Napaka-tense ang shoulder. Exhaling to downward dog. Prepare for warrior one. Right foot step forward here. Lengthen more. Open your hips. Open your groin. Drop your hips down. Reach up to the sky. Exhaling down again to Chaturanga. Slowly drop your knees, your belly, then push your arms to open your shoulders. Exhaling to downward dog. Now prepare your left foot. Step forward, wide and long. Again, hips down, drop your hips to open more the groin. Exhaling again, place your palms, put your body to your hands. Slowly drop your knee down. Then inhale again, open your heart. Exhaling to downward dog. And staying 5 right here is kumanda mo. Stay for a while. Just keep going. Exhale, arms down. Standing asanas. Standing forward, fold A. Drop down. Pick up your big toes. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, exhale, drop your head down closer to your leg. We will stay there for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, change your hand grip. Bring your hand palms under your foot. Step your hands. Inhale, exhaling. Lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulder. Again, inhale. Exhale, hands to your waistline. Jump in. Trikonasana. Right foot step forward. Lengthen your arms. Drop your hands down to your shin bone. Rotate your shoulders to open more on your hips. Inhale, exhale for 5 breaths. Inhale to other side. Left foot. Exhaling, drop to the side. Again, open, rotate your shoulders. Open your delt. Lengthen your right arms up to the sky. Exhaling, come up. Inhale. Then exhaling, jump. Ganda. Habang nag-yoga, kasi haring araw, tamang-tama talaga ang alas 5. Ano, ayan.